In this video, I'll show you how to get Polkadot address on Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Trust Wallet, click on the Manage Crypto. I'm going to show you how you can get the Polkadot address. So you're going to scroll down. You're going to go to P, right? We're going to go to P. I'll show you the one that is Polkadot. So the Polkadot address is DOT, right? It's dot. So I think I forgot. So this is the Polkadot. This is it. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna go back. So this is the Polkadot. If you found this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. I'll see you all in the next one.